Hello everyone in beautiful Greenville, South Carolina and surrounding areas of the upstate. I am Shane Jacks with Dent Pro Upstate LLC, and I've got an interesting series of dents out here in the shop. So let's take a look and see what we've got and see what we can do to repair the nasty dents on this Camaro SS. So interesting set of damages here and interesting set of circumstances that revealed this damage. The customer, this is her baby, and she parks in her driveway with a cover on it, and all winter it's been covered, and she goes out to uncover the car, and well, she finds this damage. Took it to a body shop, didn't really want to paint the door, so she brought it to us. Again, these repairs are going to be done 100% paintless using paintless dent repair. Difficult repairs, but I'm pretty sure we can take care of this and make it brand new again. Okay, here we are, we're back. And this is the Camaro SS that we repaired the door and the fender on. This thing looked fantastic. The customer has already come and seen the car. She is absolutely elated with the results. So let's spin this thing around, take a look at what we've got. And if you have any issues like this that you need fixed, bring it on down to Dent Pro Upstate LLC here in Greenville, South Carolina. Okay, here it is, the finished product, and all done paintless. No paint on this car. We use PDR. Now, why did this customer, why did she not want her door and fender to be painted? Well, savvy customers know that paintless dent repair is always the best option, because repainted panels can always be seen by trained professionals and actually normal customers alike. It's never the same. Retaining your factory paint is always the best option. So if you were out for outstanding results such as we see here on this Camaro SS, and you have a car that is your baby and it's been damaged, we'll bring it on down to Dent Pro Upstate and we will take care of it. Thanks, and we will see you soon.